this is the result what you can say today, and this grows big. We will show that, we'll make sure their dreams will get fulfilled and they may come as an engineers and our industry will work with us in future as well. That is one improvement thing. A little more things on the foundation side. We are doing the activities more on the education side, healthcare we are taking, and the life impacting empower programs what we are taking care. So foundation started from 2021. The motivation behind, not sure many of you are aware or not, our CEO's father is a government school teacher. Keshav Reddy garu is a government school teacher. He worked in many rural villages. He adopted many students. That's why the motivation come into the picture. He educated many people. While our CEO's father passed away, many of the students came for that event. That many people reached Bharat saying that we are in the government jobs, we are doing bigger heights in the industry, or because of your father educated us. That's where the motivation came for this. Okay, so and that's where all the thoughts came into the picture. The moment came and we started the foundation in 2021. Although the life impact programs we were doing from 2010, that is individually, it's all individually, it is not an systematic program. Okay, I think the foundation now will take into the picture all the things. Yeah, we have multiple programs again in the foundation. Under the education, we had taken primarily 3 programs. One is Project Book, where we donate notebooks to the rural village people. The second one is Project Vidya, where we adopt the child for the education. Okay, and the third one is Project Pratibha, where we motivate the people to clear the competitive examination in the respective fields. The next, life support things, right? Yeah, the quotation says, tears of a mother cannot save her child, but a blood can change. The blood can save the child, right? So the impact that we donate through the blood is really a life changing. You can really save a person. A person can be our closed persons, our friends, our colleagues in future. Okay, so the blood donation camps are the one primary thing where we taken into the picture as a part of life care. So till now we had donated 82 plus units of blood. Okay, out of this 4 bloods we donated live, where we saved the people. Directly some of our engineers, volunteers went to the hospital and donated the blood at the live. Okay, and Project Raksha, more than 3 lakhs we had spent to support for the medical camps at the rural villages and to donate the medical support as well. The vision will continue. The vision is very clear. So the education, life support, and the social welfare. These are the 3 categories where the foundation is focused. On the education side, we had a clear background verification. So many of the people in the industry thinks that we don't know a genuine NGO to donate our money. We don't know how it can be utilized genuinely. So to make sure that we can be the platform of it, okay, it's not only for the employees, it's an open foundation. Anybody can participate into it. Okay, it's an open volunteer program. So this is a genuine platform where we do the background check. We keep all the documents, videos, whatever the background check we had done is openly available in the website, openly available in the respective blogs. People can go through it and interested people can participate in it. The donation, we don't calculate it with money. The efforts, the time you spend for the foundation is also calculated as a donation. Even if you spend 1 day for the background verification, when 1 day when you spend for the campaigning, it calculates as a donation. Okay, that is one thing. And Project Pratibha, we are planning to adopt a school going forward. We complete one rural village government school. We are going to change in the school. It's not only with the respect to infrastructure, the life impact. We are going to add a few communication skill programs, IQ related games in it. Okay, that's the change we are planning to take with respect to one school in the going days. And with respect to the project book, it will continue to more than 1,000 plus students in future. And the healthcare project Apat Bandhav, the blood donation camps will continue all the prime locations of the company as well. And the project Raksha, where we will implement few more medical camps at the tribal villages. That is one thing we have a plan in future. The medical camps at the tribal villages. And the next thing is social welfare, the food for the needy people. We had already done a good amount of projects with respect to this at the orphanages and the old age homes. These programs will continue further. Yeah, that's more about the foundation. So very proud to say it is a very happy moment. We are doing the life impacting programs. We are genuine. We have done all pre-verified things. We process any requests. Okay. And very happy we have a tangible results here. Whatever the claps you give, this is for all the engineers who had supported it. The results I am dedicating to all the volunteers and the engineers who supported it. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your insights and taking us through the beautiful journey of Hope Foundation.